Hey traders from around the world, what's going on? It's me, Jeremy Newsome with reallifetrading.com. We've done absolutely fantastic open house. Last week was an amazing success. Thank you for all of those traders all around the world who had an amazing opportunity to enrich lives with us and be a part of the open house week. It was truly incredible. Late last night, in kind of a jovial fashion, kind of, I sent out an email. I'm sure most of you guys got it. I said, all right, let's do this, right? And I was saying, hey, if you're not part of the trading room, make sure to join before Monday morning. And I said, I would hate for you to miss a 4-hour trade because you signed up too late. Well, I said that, again, kind of jokingly because 4 hours is amazing, if that does happen in a day. But believe it or not, today was one of those days where everything just simply works. Phenomenal day trading opportunities. Let's talk about the two trades that we placed. I'll actually talk about the SPY momentarily. So the SPY was a beautiful gap for my day traders who trade shares or my day traders who trade options. Either one. Very simple. Black candle gapping up. Now you'll note that it had a nice long lower shadow on Friday, which means that there would be some selling at some point. So here's the 5-minute chart on the SPY. And I'll kind of zoom out just a little bit, and I'll turn the extended hours on as well. And what you'll notice from here is you'll be able to see the pre-market had really no resistance. We just kept going higher and higher and higher. In fact, here's the pre-market resistance right there. And the very first 5-minute candle formed my favorite candle that we can get on a gap, especially on an optionable trade. You get that high wave 5-minute candle. Entry on a weekly option 244 call expiring this Friday was 60 cents. Stop was 15 cents. That's a 15-cent risk. And up here that option was worth about $1.10. So right at about 2.3 R on that particular trade. And then also we called out in the morning trading room, here is EQT. This was one of the few stocks that was gapping down this morning. So check this out. Nice white candle gapping down, pretty much trapping everybody who bought up into here. Everybody's trapped, everybody's losing money. And this is also one of my favorite candles when this bearish candle, right? Bearish stock gaps down. Here was the first 5-minute candle that came in. Just a nice, small, white candle. Entry there, stop there, 2 Rs. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I was a happy panda today. Again, one of my rules in my plan is if I hit 4R by noon Eastern, I shut her down. And so I was actually up there at about 10 o'clock or so Central Standard Time. And yeah, everything went really well. Pretty happy about it. I'm excited about tomorrow. So for those traders, again, let's hop over here in the Slack. We got a few traders who were able to join us for and after the open house. So here was the EQT trade call out at 8:41 this morning here in our Slack channel. So again, for those traders who access the day trading room or the afternoon swing trading room or any kind of the trading rooms, you have access to Slack. Now, keep in mind, the deal is still out there. If you want to pay in full, the discount is still available for right now. If you want to purchase with a yearly discount, meaning you sign up for an entire year and you actually get a pretty good month-to-month rate overall. So for example, just the morning trade room by itself, if you take $17.95 and you divide it by 12, you're going to come out with about $149 and some change month to month, which is a really, really good rate. That's $30 cheaper than it is right now every single month. So just something to consider. This will evaporate and will be gone forever in just a few hours. So if you're still on the fence, let me know. Message me if you have any questions. Ladies and gentlemen, it was such a blessing, privilege, and honor to be trading with each and every one of you. I just loved it. Here's another trade that we talked about just last week during the open house, right? We talked about this one. We set this trade up on Thursday. Friday, it did not trigger because it was an inside day. And I forget the trader's name, so forgive me, but I had a trader in Friday's afternoon class saying, hey, Jeremy, I bought some calls at the 100 simple moving average on Apple. What do you think? And I was like, hey, bottom line, phenomenal trade. Let's see if it works out on Monday. I really don't know, but overall, it's a good gap. It was a good move. Hope she continues higher. So Apple, very, very nice move. A lot of traders in some swing trades on Apple right now. Here's another stock that was requested, Baidu, ticker symbol BIDU. And what's interesting about Baidu here is, again, it's at the bottom of this triangle channel once again. Once again, it's down there. Here's the daily chart, up 1.75%. So if you're looking at playing Baidu, personally, I'd look to play it non-directionally at this exact moment in time. Non-directionally meaning bull put spreads or put sales, owning shares and doing covered calls, something like that. But 179 over 173, that's kind of how I would play with a nice new white soldier gap today on Baidu. Things are looking pretty soft and pretty fluffy. Here's ticker symbol LU. This was also requested. Lulu. And Lulu, for me personally, I'm waiting for it to get above that 54.76 price range. Here's a white candle gapping up, retest gap. Here's the retest. So we are retesting. So I'm going to look for this, and then I'm going to play the retest of that old resistance, new support on Lulu. It's been kind of fickle recently, so just kind of keep an eye on that to see what it does and what it ends up happening on that one. And let's look at one other trade. I did not take a day trade on this one, but Tim did. So Tim, I want to give you a shout out, man. Here was a cute little gap on MetLife. Now, MetLife, we had a bull put spread expire on it just last week. So on ticker symbol MET, here's the resistance right there. And it was a very small gap, as you can see, very tiny, but the location was beautiful. It was just gapping up right above that resistance on ticker symbol MET. So the 5-minute chart is a retest gap, right? Look how beautiful this retest was on MetLife. Again, I did not take this trade, but that retest was brilliant. Traded up, traded right into the 10. You got this amazing bullish piercing pattern. Entry here, stop there, good for a solid R&a-half. So Tim, great trade on MetLife, man. Very, very well done. Next real life stock review is going to be Wednesday, so if you have any requests between now and then, let me know. But for the traders in the afternoon swing trading room, we're going to be meeting in about 37 minutes, reviewing Merchant Monday, going over trade setups on Kroger, Walmart, Target, Costco, a lot of other trades, a lot of other people making some solid money out there. Woo! I'm jazzed up. Let's look at two others that I also had a request on. Specifically Litecoin, ticker symbol LTC USD. So for those trading cryptocurrencies, Litecoin finally broke out. Shocking. Would have never saw that happening. Great volume came in as well on Saturday. Really nice breakout. So for those in the cryptocurrency sector, this thing is headed higher. I talked to a few of my friends back in May. I was like, more or less, man, you can guarantee this thing's going to at least gain 40% in value before July 1st. And so far, it's actually about 100% in value. So Litecoin for my cryptocurrency traders, looking good. So Justin Jeffrey, well done, man. Also, shout outs for completing the Spartan race, Double J. Well done. He posted some pictures. Well done, my man. Excited to see you. I'm going to be up in the Boston, Connecticut, New York City area, actually the week after next. So if there's any real life traders in that area, hit me up. I'd love to meet up and see your beautiful face. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, you guys are amazing, and I'll see you later. Until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.